Hi, my name is Howie, your trusted real estate agent from Live Realty, and welcome to another Howie TV house tour. Let's go. We are showing you this house and lot for sale located here inside the secured subdivision in Mabalacat City, Pampanga. This is near NLEX, SM Hypermarket, and Walter Mart. Let's check it out. This property is priced at 9.8 million pesos. It has a lot area of 224 square meters, floor area of 180 square meters. It has 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, living, dining, and kitchen, and 2 carport. Contact us for viewing. So as we can tell guys, from the facade of the house, this one is a bungalow. Very clean aesthetic. In front, we have this greenery. Over here, we have these slats that lets natural ventilation in. Pedestrian gate. We have this 2-car carport, which is elevated. Of course, let's enter through this pedestrian gate. Upon entry, guys, we have these steps leading to the main door. To my left, we have this beautiful pocket garden right here, once na ma-landscape. Step up right here, going to the front door. Now, to my right, this is your 2-car carport, which is high ceiling. And, of course, kasya sa kanya kahit 2 big vans because it's really wide and mataas yung ceiling natin. We have our faucet right there. We have power outlets right here. So if you need, you have it there. Double wooden door right here, of course. Pasok tayo. Upon entry, we will be greeted by this massive open living space that is really beautifully designed. We have our living area right here. Sofa will go right here. Your console or here, it's up to you. We have this beautiful light fixture, wooden design ng ating ceiling, and high ceiling, of course. And this area right here will be our dining area. Pwede tayong maglagay ng console dito. Our dining table will go right here. Maganda rin tong detail na ginawa nila sa wall. It's like a wooden design na PVC, which is different from the usual PVC fluted panels na nakikita natin. We have this beautiful kitchen with stone countertop with shiny details. Very clean design, of course. We have this area which can be used as a breakfast table. And this is your preparation counter right here. Behind, we have the range hood, windows all around, and of course, our modern sink with our storage underneath. High ceiling once again, kaya maaliwalas and airy yung bahay. Then behind the camera, let's show them, are these storage cabinets or our pantry for our groceries, for our dishes na hindi ginagamit, pwede yan dyan. Okay? This door leads to the side of the house, which has our service area, our provision for our washer, and we have a sink right there. Then, this is leading to the carport. One more look sa ating kitchen. Imagine having breakfast here, diba? Then our dining area and our living area. May beauty sa bungalow because may central area kayo na nagkikita-kita kayo. Diba? Ako yun yung parang, I think, strength ng bungalow. It keeps the interaction sa family or sa occupants ng house. Now we have this door in the middle. This one is the toilet and bath that will be shared by the two rooms na napapakita ko sa inyo next. We have the sink, we have our medicine cabinet right here, our toilet, our enclosed shower that has a water heater installed already. Really nice. Tapos the sliding is frosted siya, so may privacy. To my left, first bedroom, good size bedroom. Bed will go right here. We have our outlet on the side, window, and of course our built-in cabinets over here. The next room has a mirror layout from the first room. We have the space, bed will go right here, we have our outlet, window, and of course our built-in cabinets right there. Now going to this next two rooms, kanina itong room na to na mistake ko as the master because it's really nice. We have a generous amount of space right here, bed will go here. You have a window facing the front of the house to your potential garden right there. And of course, we have our built-ins and your ensuite toilet and bath with sink, toilet, and of course, your shower area that is enclosed with our water heater. Now let's go to the master bedroom. Upon entry, makikita mo agad how generous the space is. Queen or king size bed can fit right here. You have outlets on either side, windows right here, and of course your built-in cabinets on the other side. Now, this is the master bathroom. So, we have our sink. Ito ang ganda kasi ang clean ng detail ng countertop natin. We have the faucet right here. Of course, may mirror tayo, medicine cabinet. We have our toilet and our enclosed shower that has this mosaic detail. Tile siya pero mosaic ang design. And of course, we have our water heater right there. Really nice. And storage pa underneath. Ang ganda. Now, let's do the recap.
This property is priced at 9.8 million pesos. It has a lot area of 224 square meters, floor area of 180 square meters. It has 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, living, dining, and kitchen, and 2 carport. Contact us for viewing.
Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate every like, share, and subscribe. Once again, my name is Howie, your trusted real estate agent from Live Realty. Together with our director, Ken, we hope to help you find your next property. Until next time, God bless. Bye.